It is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Right here are some of the assets which we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so if let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. And of course, guys, we will be checking these out together. Okay, so let's go straight into it. Okay. So these had been, like I said, for like 2 or 3 days now. I told us that this has been playing within this channel for a while. So it has been giving us a kind of sideways trend, and of course it has been moving from the upper part of the channel and the lower part of the channel, and that is what you can only do for now until there is a proper breakout. Okay, so right here it went to the top and came back down a little bit below the lower part of the channel, and of course went back up again, and it has come down to that same region. Okay, so this may likely give us an uptrend again to somewhere here or here. Okay, so we expect the only reason why it will not buy is if it breaks out below this support zone. However, I don't see it breaking out below it, because this is giving us like double bottom. Okay, but if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will go fully into an uptrend. Just wait for the uptrend signal and the buy signal before you jump into the trade. Okay, so let's see what will happen from there. So I expect it to buy from there. The only reason why it will not buy is if it breaks out below the support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Still on 15-minute time frame, this is GainX 999, and of course this actually started a downtrend. This has also been moving within this upper part of the channel to this lower part of the channel. Okay, and of course it started gradually from here and moving up and up, and it has gotten to this region. So right here I also dropped this signal in the Telegram channel today, giving us an entry point, a stop loss, and TP123 has been achieved. It almost achieved TP 4. Okay, and right here is TP5. So this is still selling right now. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Okay, guys, this is Paynex 1200. This had been on a very strong downtrend for a while. We actually milked this particular asset when it was on downtrend, but it has gotten to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's tried to go back on uptrend. And I actually dropped this signal in the Telegram channel. It activated the signal, almost achieved the first TP, but right now it's turning back. Let's see what will happen. Will it get to the stop loss and even go below that, or it will go back up and continue with the trend? Let's see what will happen. Okay, so for now I expect this to buy until it breaks out below the support zone. If it breaks out below the support zone, then definitely it's going to sell. Okay, but if it does not, it will buy. Okay, so I'm going to put a buy, and of course put this in bracket in case it breaks out below the support zone. But if it does not, then definitely it's going to buy. Now let's move on to Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999, and of course this is really fresh, and I would like you guys to tap into this right away. If you have been noticing, this had been I mean, it went on uptrend right from here, got to this region, came back, got there again, came back, got there this time around, and I'm seeing it going selling right from there. And of course, I have this set up in case it activates the entry point. This is the stop loss, stop entry point, and right here is the first TP, and around there is the second TP. Okay, then we're going to get the third TP at this point. Okay, so if it now breaks out from here, then we should see it activating the fourth TP. Okay, so and this may likely be the 50p if it gets to this region. Okay, so you should take note of that, but it needs to activate this first before all this can be achieved. Okay, so we expect it to buy, I mean to sell right from there, but if it breaks out above the resistance zone, then definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is FX volume 80, and just the way we have seen this had been on downtrend, even though the movement was somehow okay. It has gotten to this support zone. Okay, it has gotten to this support zone. It got there around there and it went back up, got there around there and it went back up, and it has gotten there again. So if it's unable to break out below the support zone, then we should see it going back up right from there. Okay, so this is still on downtrend at the moment. It is still selling at the moment, and of course, if it's unable to break out below that support zone, then definitely it's going to switch into an uptrend and it's going to buy. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.